Hey, so if you already have an account and just want to access it, logging into NerdWallet in 2026 is really quick. I'll guide you step by step so you don't get stuck anywhere. Alright, first, open your browser or app and go to the official NerdWallet website. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid any fake pages. Now, look at the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the sign-in page. Next, enter the email address you used when you created your account. Then type your password carefully. Even a small typo can stop you from logging in. After that, click the Login or Sign In button to continue. If everything is correct, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. If you forgot your password, don't worry. Just click on Forgot Password and follow the email instructions to reset it. Yeah, it only takes a minute or two. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard where you can track your credit score, spending habits, savings goals, and financial insights all in one place. Sometimes you may be asked to verify your email or complete a quick security check. Just follow the steps on screen and you'll be good. So yeah, logging into NerdWallet is pretty